Hello, Clearborough, North Dallas. 2026 Bronco, full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus, full window film Xpel, full windshield protection film on here. Sorry, it's a little dirty. The customer got away from me before we delivered it last week. He came back so I could do a carbon fiber rear door. I'll show you that. But I'll show you the wrap. The window film is all 15% and full ceramic coating. And here's what he brought it back for today. So we can do carbon fiber on his back door. So now I can shoot the car because I wasn't here and I missed it, so I still want to do it. But that's S-Tech, not Steck, but S-Tech's designer PPF. Super nice stuff. I think they're the leaders in probably these custom film colors and shapes, but that is a carbon fiber paint protection film, self-heals, no waxing. But this guy, he preferred to have it on the inside of this door to make it different, and it looks really good. So let me run you around this install on this Bronco. So when we do all our paint protection film installs, and I'll tell you, I just hung up with a customer today. He called me a month ago, and price, $300 difference, me and another shop on a full wrap. But none of the edges were wrapped at all on this car. He came to me today, and he said, yeah, you know, I didn't think it would be this bad. Let me tell you, when you get your car wrapped with paint protection film, the goal is to see it and actually look at it and know it's not there, okay? It looks terrible when you would have lines all the way around it from the pattern because it was printed. You know, like we remove these and all this is underneath. You don't see it. So this panel, you don't know any film is on this car because it's all underneath and all wrapped around. It's all custom, so it takes a day or two longer, but that's another thing. Give your guys the time. If a day or two is gonna really break you on your logistics, then you deserve a bad job, I guess. But that's the way it goes, because I too own new cars. Imagine that. So look at this hood. You can't even tell that that's wrapped. You can't tell that that's wrapped. Okay, it's a little dirty. He just brought it into us. We just did that door, but this is what I'm trying to tell people. If you want, this is gonna get hit by rocks. So the truck that the guy brought in today that was done somewhere else, it had a 1/4-inch gap all the way around. He saw our cars and then this. He's like, I didn't know it could be like that. Well, because you didn't listen. There are plenty of shops that do wrap like this. When you drop off your expectations, we go over the car, look at no lines, everything's under this handle, 100%. We take the handles out, 100% underneath. There's no lines. All the edges are fully wrapped. So when you wipe your car, imagine you're wiping it and there's an edge right here. You're gonna start to fray that edge. That is not covered under a warranty, my friend. That's called wear and tear. Good luck. That's why you want this. Everything's underneath. It cannot be compromised at all. This whole rooftop came off. All these edges and corners, 100%. So his paint is 100% protected. If something were to hit this little edge right here, it's fully wrapped. All the way up inside here, fully wrapped. We took these taillights out. I've seen these where there's a 1/4-inch to a 1/2-inch gap all around these lights, but look at mine, 100% all the way around. Little horsey comes off, goes back on. There's no line around it. So point being, I wanted to get this because a lot of Broncos are coming to us. And the fuel door, 100%, no lines. The quarter panel all wrapped in, all wrapped around. But it was kind of interesting that the guy today came in from a previous install 2 weeks ago asking me to fix it, and then I wanted to show this, but I was out sick, and just everything's perfect on it. It's a great install. 5 days we had it, ceramic coated. Before we do the install, it's a full polish. We decon it, prep it, polish it, take it back out, clean it up again, then bring it in, inspect it, and go to town. Take out whatever dust nibs we can. A lot of cars are getting dust nibs in the paint. If you don't know what it is, look it up. Fallout from the train. These things are transported by railhead. Look up paint fallout. Google it. You got a computer right in front of you. We handle all that. It doesn't cost any extra. Most shops don't do that. So there's more to this. Don't underestimate or don't downplay what this stuff does. You really need a person that's experienced and knows what they're doing. So there it is, clearboroughnorthdallas.com, clearboroughnorthdallas@gmail if you want to email. Phone number 214-414-3809. I'm Brent. And anything you need, like us, follow us, give me a call. 940-703-8301 is a cell. You can text it as well. Have a great day.